Morning guys, ito ay isang barisit, mineral barisit stone. Ito ay 88.96% barisit. Barisit is a green mineral often used in jewelry and carvings. Mostly found in Utah, USA, Australia, and Philippines. Ito guys, maganda din siya, makinis, at pwede gawing jewelry and carvings. Okay guys, dito na lang, hanggang dito na lang. Okay.